Alright, good day guys. So in today's video I'm going to be checking out how to use free proxy to log in Talkatone. So first of all, let's get the proxy first. We are using this and share. I think group share should be the best. Alright, so you can see there is this way you get 10 free proxy. So that's what we're trying to get now. So we do the get free proxy, and let's try and use Google. So maybe this. Got it, and let's cancel this. So we are in. I believe we're in. So what we're going to do now is we look forward to get our free proxy list. Let's see. Okay, based on what we say, share the free proxy. So let's set it up. So let me check for the app to use for the proxy. Super proxy. Here, let's use this one. So let's just wait for it to install, and once it's installed, we check it out. Done. So let's open. Continue. Allow proxy. Then okay. Then we leave it like this. We come to here, get the free proxy. We are looking for United States, the one for United States in specific. So this is the IP. This is the yes. United States, yes. So let's copy that. Paste and copy this as well. Alright, so we're saving this and start. So as this is free, I hope it's active. I don't want advertisements. I just switch it and finish it. So we are connected, right? Let's confirm the connection if it's actually working. This is this. So I don't think it's working. I don't really think it's working. Let's check back. Alright, so you can see we are connected. So now let's open our Talkatone. I'm not signing up, we're logging in. Let's sign in. I don't know what's wrong. Let's open back. Sign in. It's still loading. Let's see if I can press. Okay. To continue. It's not working. Oh, so I get the VPN was detected. Block your network. It's happened when you connect via VPN. So the IP is detected. The IP. So truly, yes, you can get free IP here, but it's likely unable. It will be unable to create a Talkatone account for you. You can see there is UK, there is congratulations, there's Madrid, there's Los Angeles, there's Tokyo, and the rest more. But like you see here, so it's not that strong. And also, let's try out this Mysterium. Mind you, also Mysterium, there's two types of subscription. If you notice here, you can see that this subscription is on data center, and I cannot connect to residential. I can actually do that. hold on, United States. This is exactly what I'm trying to explain for you. You can see they say house residential IP or residential IPs are different from data center IP where with expected the real house would divide residential real house devices making traffic look like regular internet activities. So you see, and availability can change because the IPs are provided by real device. Some node may go offline from time to time. So got it. So this is just a brief explanation of what I was trying to say. And let's tap on it again. So you can see now it work with the residential IP, residential VPN with Mysterium. So this is also a way to log in your Talkatone account. Mostly you check out if you're using the data center or residential IP. So you will know which of the IP is the VPN giving you. So if you're on residential is um more of the best because it's it get low chances of getting detected. As you can see, that IP was detected due to it was a public IP, data center IP as well. Let's call it that. Also here we are. So we have logged in our accounts and yeah, we are good to go. So if you want to also log in your account or you need help in any form of way, so just comment it in the comment section and I will answer your question or do a video answering your question. Thank you.